Hey, first timers. Today is a family video.
Yep.
So how everybody doing today? We have some spicy chicken with some beef nachos.
Yep.
So let's start our prayers and dig in. Who wants to say the prayer?
Heavenly Father, thank you for the balance of the day. Amen.
Amen. All right. So how everybody doing today? What's so funny?
Ain't even gonna lie, I'm ready to grow up.
I know you is. Get your food today. I mean, get your plate over.
Dig in there.
Go back and see.
Yeah, I got some Fanta soda,
What y'all drinking?
green Fanta.
I'm drinking some Fanta.
Mm,
They got Fanta orange and Fanta grape, and I have some Long Island.
I'm gonna get the spicy one. I'm gonna go for the
Yeah.
spicy one.
We
I know, right? All on spicy.
Misa, what's the sauces up front?
We have honey barbecue, and we got spicy garlic, and we also have blue cheese.
Yep.
Blue cheese, my favorite. And we got some hot sauce on the side.
Ooh, right here. Hot sauce.
Yeah.
I eat some of these nachos because they look delightful.
Here's the honey.
Oh yeah, we got some packs of honey, y'all, and we want some honey on our chicken.
Here you go.
So we try to squeeze all this into this family video. We gonna get better. This is our first time doing a family video.
That's here you go.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
So right now, I only just got spicy chicken right here. I want to try.
Would you like some nachos on your plate?
Mhm.
Let me put it up there for you.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll let someone else too.
And and we using the spicy Doritos for the nachos.
Spicy Doritos. Ooh, this is so hot.
I know. You want me to turn it back on?
No, I said it's so hot.
We should do a thumbnail.
Need to keep us
We gonna do a thumbnail after we get all our food.
Yeah.
Yup.
Yeah.
You want some sour cream?
I always beat my chicken.
I said you want some sour cream.
No, thank you. But it's okay if you put some up there.
There you go.
And
Here
I
you
know
go.
y'all gotta leave me some
Alright,
flags.
you do it for me.
No, let me give you some tomatoes. Here you go, ma'am.
Alright. Do yours in lovely, Desert.
I don't know how to do this.
We are doing a family mukbang with my babies. These are my princesses, and I'm the
the queen.
Yep.
I can't
we got plenty of sour cream. If you take the sour cream off, you still got plenty of sour cream left over there.
talking about this.
I think I might
Yeah, this is a nacho.
go ahead and dip inside the spicy one. Wait, is that spicy one?
The nachos there.
Oh.
Mmm. I love nachos.
You might.
Yeah, fix it. Y'all can move the sauce around if y'all want some sauce.
Okay.
Making a
These
mess.
nachos good.
They good?
Yes.
Alright.
The chicken
I think I
good.
should turn the skillet back on. Y'all think
You
so?
want some sour cream?
Yeah.
Yeah, good part. I can just add some more sour cream to mine. Oh my God, where the cheese at? Love, let me go get the cheese right quick.
Okay.
This up. This enough.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Okay.
I got the waste.
Hold on, we gotta do a thumbnail, y'all. Y'all good.
I forgot about that.
Oh, this looks so good.
Here you go.
No.
Okay.
Could somebody pass me the dark sauce?
I want the ranch.
I would like the honey barbecue.
I have that blue cheese.
May I please see? Oh, no.
Sour cream?
Oh yeah, I'm about some dang on blue cheese.
We got some cayenne pepper hot sauce. This sauce is so good. Y'all should go try that. Good. Not as good.
Give me some.
That's good.
Who wants some hot sauce?
That's
Yeah.
Can I use that spoon again? Thank you.
Well, y'all gotta do a thumbnail.
Let's go.
I'm coming
They're
there.
gonna do this thumbnail real quick.
I'm not really a big fan of sour cream. Just a kind of.
All right, let's do the thumbnail, y'all. Wait.
Alright, y'all show y'all food. I'm just like this.
Come on,
Alright, come on, y'all.
Wait, let me get like a chicken real quick. I'm gonna show it like this.
come on.
Come on, everybody get in the picture. Okay.
All right.
Yes.
Let's get in. That's fried chicken. Let me get this.
So how my crunch time is doing today? We are doing fabulous. We just doing the thing in Dorian because Dorian supposed to hit us today, y'all.
I thought that was ranch.
Right.
It's blue cheese.
Yes, and that blue cheese is so good.
Did y'all forget this time?
What?
I don't know. We got here crunch time was a bite.
Oh yeah, y'all been grilling.
I think I got a piece of that. I don't know about this time. This is good.
Y'all can have a bite of the nacho.
Blue cheese, Lisa.
The chicken tastes good.
Lisa, what's this?
Spicy garlic.
Look at the chicken, y'all.
Wait, I want to try the spicy garlic.
If you can reach, take a bite.
Take a bite of the spicy garlic.
I'm gonna get some of this nachos right here.
I like this.
Tastes good with the spicy garlic.
Yeah. Yeah, I got that piece.
We supposed to be playing Uno, but we're gonna play after the video. We wasn't gonna play it in the video, but we can't.
This chicken tastes good with honey.
You see, maybe that one.
I think it's the spicy one.
Good, good.
For sure.
And dip it.
Right.
Let me dip it real quick.
Me too. Let me dip mine right quick. You can do it.
Yo, when I tell y'all I'm so hungry, this video took years.
It was worth it.
Yeah.
Kind of spicy. Or is it chicken?
Yeah, the chicken spicy.
I ain't even bit the chicken yet. These
Chicken
nachos
is
so
spicy
good.
though. I thought it was the sauce. What's the best sauce? Let me try that one.
Which one?
I'm gonna that
The
one.
ranch.
Right.
Good one?
Yeah.
Ranch too.
It might need honey.
Yeah, ranch.
Give me one pack.
Pour the ranch.
Give me a pack of honey. I'm gonna put in my chicken.
I'm not. No, I don't like honey, so.
Mm.
I haven't
Who like
tried it in
the
years
ranch?
because the first time I tried it,
That's not ranch.
I mean, blue cheese. Can you put it up?
Anybody want the rest of my honey instead of using the whole pack?
Yeah, pour it down.
It's good with this sauce.
That's enough?
I haven't had honey in years because that was the first time I tasted it. So it's good with that sauce. It's
Who got
like,
the hot sauce? Let me see the hot
it made me
sauce.
sick on the stomach, so I haven't tasted it in like years.
When she tasted it, she just don't know. When I did the blood sauce, I had honey instead of sugar sometimes.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't taste it.
Can you please pass the honey barbecue?
What is the dark one about this?
Right here.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Hold up. Go ahead.
I can see y'all faces. I ain't got to look at y'all. They like, hold up, look, and be waiting for that barbecue sauce too.
This barbecue tastes good. I think the one that's not red kind of spicier than the one with one red. The chicken spicy.
I like this. I like it a lot.
Me too.
Excuse me, sister. You sound like you like.
I like it a lot. Sprinkle some cheese.
Oh yeah, I put some more cheese on mine.
Yeah.
I
Sprinkle
forgot.
some cheese.
I'm gonna bring it up.
And you got enough now.
Make sure y'all get a snack and join us.
Yes, please,
Yes.
cause.
The funny mukbang.
Comment down below what y'all eating with us today.
Can
What I
somebody
eating?
pass me the dark sauce?
You see how ready?
Thank you.
Yeah, I ain't even gonna say nothing. Yeah, I know what I'm about to say.
Let me see some.
Let's get back to this.
Excuse me.
We got back to this with some sauce.
Tell me how that sauce tastes.
Yes.
Let me see y'all.
good.
Mm.
It's a spicy garlic.
Put some on that.
All the sauce is good.
You like garlic?
Mm-hmm.
Put some on that.
Can I please get the blue cheese, please, for this hot?
Pass her that barbecue. That spicy barbecue.
Y'all love
This
the
one?
sauce.
This one?
Here you go, ma'am.
Spicy barbecue.
This one.
Thank you. Thank you,
Now
sugar.
y'all love blue cheese on my buffalo chicken. That stuff
Yeah.
is good. Y'all can have a bite,
I love
like
blue
all the
cheese.
white off, cause that's the best part.
I'm not a fan of blue cheese either.
Mmm.
Nah. This tastes so good.
Ooh, hold up. We got some grape soda. I mean, grape crush
And green
and
apple.
green
apple
pepper.
pepper.
I feel like it's so good.
But try with the honey.
Can somebody please taste the barbecue, the honey barbecue?
Taste it.
Thank you. Here you go. Y'all want to try the spicy chicken with honey barbecue?
I love lean over some more.
Come on, baby. Take a bite.
You keep me coming. When you say that, I be so weak.
So,
I think I like small chicken better than the big pieces.
Oh yeah. I don't even like the big chicken.
big chicken be the crunchy, yeah.
I want this one big. This chicken hot.
I'm not
Yeah,
a
it's
fan of sour
spicy.
cream, so
But I love it.
no, I'm gonna eat it.
These are our favorite chicken and nachos.
Yes.
And the honey tastes real good on chicken.
I agree.
I don't agree. Y'all get them with pizzas and nachos?
They about to get a bite of my nachos right now.
Look at that.
Let me show you, they got cheese and meat up here.
And they got some sour cream up there.
Here. Come on, baby.
You like sour cream, take that
Have a
one.
bite.
You like sour cream, take this one.
Woo.
Now that was a
Y'all want some grape panther? He got a. I know y'all got thirsty.
Yeah. Let me lean over some. Get you in the camera.
Okay.
It's not. It's like it stopped raining.
It's not raining, but it's drizzling. But that wind blowing hard though.
We're so glad it's a category 1 that we're not gonna get that much.
Macy, pass me the honey.
But thank the Lord, because even though it's a category 1, some places out Ocean View and Norfolk, trees that fell down
You're
on their
welcome.
property and damaged stuff. And
Why
we
is that
just
good?
thank the Lord that ain't no trees fell on our house, because last year trees fell on our house, and that's why we had to move where we at today.
That
Because-
scarred me.
Yeah, because it fell through her roof. It was
To my room.
yeah, the tree came through her roof in her room, and they was upstairs sleeping, and I was downstairs. So I just thank the Lord that we didn't get any damage this year.
I slept through the whole thing.
Yeah, she slept through the whole daggone time.
We all sleep, but I think you was the only one.
I had woke up. I had to use the bathroom. So I
Some
had
hot
woke
sauce
up.
on my hot chicken.
I didn't hear nothing. I was asleep.
Honestly, I don't hear nothing.
Can I
It was
please,
hot.
yes, please, oh please get the honey barbecue.
I thought you had them. Oh, that one right here.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. That must be good, y'all.
It is.
That
I
is
love
good.
it.
That is good.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna OD on y'all, but y'all have a bite.
Yeah.
Y'all gotta get a bite of everybody I get, because when I tell y'all this is so good, it is so good.
Yeah.
I feel bad because this is so good.
Really, Dad?
I feel like her
Really, they say.
finger looking good.
Well, I'm glad because I cooked this.
You guys,
We had to do a remix. We call it a remix because we had chicken yesterday and the kids got home from school. It was like, y'all did a video and we had no chicken. So I was like, we're going to do our favorite. We love nachos and tacos and we all love chicken. So I was like, okay, I'm going to cook the chicken again and we're going to add some nachos to it.
I got a confession.
Whew, what? Oh, yeah, you got out of school and ate the rest of it.
No.
What?
I said I can talk now because my energy was low.
You had to charge that battery up with some food, y'all.
This food made me feel amazing.
I don't know why I always get the itis, because this is my first time eating that. I ain't ate nothing all day long, but
Excuse me. I agree.
I ain't that all day long, but
I'm getting full. I ate with 3
because I made sure it was a bunch of ground beef in it. I said I'm going to make it loaded.
I got a question for the crunch timers.
What you got for the crunch timers?
Comment down below. They're like soft taco or hard taco.
Oh, okay.
I think I like both, but I think I prefer hard tacos.
I like both, but I like soft tacos.
I like homemade tacos. I don't like the stove tacos.
But do you like them hard or soft is the real question.
I like them hard.
I like both of them.
But what's your favorite?
My
Soft.
favorite is the soft taco.
Yeah.
No, I gotta go with the hard. I'm with that.
Yes.
Hard
But
taco.
the soft taco get hard when I put it on the skillet. I won't do it on
Wait,
the soft. That's why we
actually,
do it on
I
the
It's
big.
hot, baby.
I like both of them, but this like
It be real soft when you get it from like Taco Bell or something. Where you
Yeah.
get it home.
I think this gonna be my last bite.
I like the homemade taco.
The burrito.
I just start already, and I'm full.
I ate in Taco Bell like 2 times because the first time I ate there, my stomach started hurting. So I'm like, it probably just hurting. Second time I ate them, it hurt again. I'm like, oh no, they I don't know what they put inside their tacos, but I ain't eating theirs no more.
They burrito is delicious. And they
I
fry with the cheese
like
is
taco
good.
from Taco Bell, but I like homemade. I don't know.
Thank you.
Yeah, I like homemade.
Homemade is the best made.
And my soft shell be a little crunchy, but not too hard because I put it on the skillet and I toss it back and forth.
I want to eat this wing so bad, but I think I might.
I know. I keep looking at my wing too.
Ooh.
Y'all done ate so much. I'm full.
Yes,
too.
I think I ate too fast. And mine. Woo. Woo, baby. I think that did me.
That's some good food though.
Oh man, taking another chip down. You heard me.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all, I got on this weight trainer. I'm about to bust out of
You know better than to eat and have a waist trainer on.
it. Finna bust off me.
And she's small.
It finna bust
How small
off me.
she trying to get?
She instead of trying to lose her weight, she's trying to lose her mind.
Exactly.
I'm a little fat.
Not fat.
Y'all want to see me clean the bone?
Yeah, we want to see you clean the bone.
In the bone.
Oh, she finna clean it.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I do. Watch this, baby.
Well, I tell you.
It ain't
What?
clean. It's some more meat up there.
How about you clean
Yeah.
your bone? Right there.
You see, gonna bless me like that?
Mm-hmm.
Here you go, mama.
You gonna bless
Here
me
you
like
go,
that?
mama.
You gonna bless me like that?
Here you go, mama.
I can't stand them. They gonna bless me like that.
Full.
If I clean the bone the way I'm full right now.
Yes, I thought I was the only one. I don't think I can. I want to clean it up so bad, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it.
I know one thing. I broke this bone.
I can clean the
I
face.
beat this joker in half. Can y'all see?
She
it?
tried to eat the bone, y'all.
Mm-hmm.
You and me too. I can clean the face.
Nah, I think it's when my food digests a little tad bit and I burp. Trust and believe that bone gonna be just like that. Excuse me.
We are fucking me all full now.
Yes.
I got some energy. I ain't crying no more.
Mm-hmm.
My gut itch though.
Who?
My gut.
Girl, boo.
Not
You
belly.
kid's terrible.
Hold up, how you say yummy in my tummy? Who said that again?
Yummy in my tummy. Good, yeah.
I think I don't know who be saying that.
Me neither. It between my
You
head.
just made that up.
I probably did. I don't
Like get in my belly.
Woo! Excuse me.
Yes.
But I ain't gonna lie, I'm full. I don't think I can eat anymore.
Yeah. But we in the video.
Who said we went in the video?
Right.
Mike.
Who can see him in the minutes video?
1954.
Oh, okay. But school was good for everybody.
Yep. Went well.
Yes, it was nice. Lovely.
Do y'all watch the show called Power?
Y'all
Oh,
should if y'all didn't.
I don't like power.
I
You
don't
never seen it.
I know, right?
I'm telling y'all would not regret watching that, bro.
I'm full.
That show is so good. That show is so good.
Yeah, she in the camera.
Okay.
I watched that show from season 1 to season 6. I ain't missing out on nothing.
Yes, if you watch Power, comment down below.
Season 7 coming out.
Ooh, who would like to sign us out?
Me.
It's early. Why we signing out so early? Oh, I do got a
31.
So we're gonna sign out.
I thought it was 21.
I
think
can't
I was
see
tripping.
Damn. What is that?
Oh, we good.
It said 21. It's like
Oh,
something
okay.
else.
Well, I like Power. I love it, actually. It's way better than Empire. I tell you that much.
Hands
No,
down.
it's not.
Oh, okay.
Hands down. Yes.
That's how she was doing.
There is no competition between Empire and Power.
Empire is better.
I'm not a Sour Queen fan.
I watch Empire. It's good.
Girl,
I don't know what they're talking about. I ain't seen that one of them.
You should.
I never
Power.
seen Empire,
To the
You need to.
but I guarantee that it's Power.
Yes.
Power is better than Empire, bro.
No, it's not.
But I did see
No, it's not.
Thy Neighbor.
Had to make.
I'm not a big fan.
From my
of
head.
the show.
Me either. I'm a big fan of
I'm in.
hours.
Ain't that
I
nice?
watched the old stuff. I watched the old stuff. They watched the new stuff.
I'm an old head too. I watch all the old shows.
Yeah, she be watching the old shows with me.
I watched Orange and the Black. Orange and the
Oh.
Black. Y'all should watch that. Cause ooh, tasty. My girl going crazy this season.
I watched somewhere, but I can't get with it.
She can't get jiggy with it.
Get with it or get left.
Get left.
I watch every
Oh, you
show.
popping, ain't you?
I be watching every show.
She popping. All right, who gonna sign us out?
Tiffany.
I think all of us should do it. Like,
I think before we exit out, I think we should thank every crunch timer that's
Oh
watching
yes,
this
'cause we got 400
Thank
subscribers. Yay!
I would like to thank every and anyone that's watching this video like right now. I would like to thank y'all so much for sitting there and watching and enjoying us,
And
watching our
subscribing.
video and stuff. All our subscribers, we'd like to thank y'all so much for that.
and turn that
We
bell
really
on.
do.
Without
appreciate it.
without y'all, we still wouldn't even be right here making videos. So thank you so much.
Because I was talking the other
Thank
day.
y'all.
I said,
Thank
I said I feel like giving up. I said only if I do no more videos.
Why you came too far?
I give us
We got 400 people watching us.
400 families.
400. That's a lot. Imagine
Yeah.
all the 400 people give you $1. That's $400 in your pocket.
Yeah,
Yes,
I
a lot of
love
money.
y'all and I appreciate y'all.
Yes.
We're gonna continue to grow so we can reach 1K Crunch Timers, and I'm gonna have some shirts giveaway
Yep.
that say Crunch Time. I ain't gonna tell y'all the good part, but I still have a collab coming up,
Yep.
and
We can't tell
we
you who is it.
have to do it, but we have to postpone it because of Dorian. Dorian ain't like we thought it would be, but she's still here.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
You know, it gave us a break. We off today. His work was over here.
Yes, I'm off because of Dorian,
Yeah.
which made me a little upset, but I don't mind. I can have this day off again. I don't mind.
So we love each and every one of you, and we appreciate all of you guys for tuning in and supporting us and watching us. And we just thank you guys. And we have something coming for y'all when we reach that 1K.
Yep.
Just gotta stick with us to the end. Just stay by our sides to the end. That's all.
It's gonna be-
doing it.
Wait.
And I thank
Turn up.
everyone that's doing that right now. We appreciate it so much.
My kids even appreciate y'all. Y'all are our only friends because we've been stopped dealing with people a long time ago.
Yes, I strongly agree.
Yeah, so y'all are my friends that I comment and talk to, because if I don't talk to y'all, I ain't talking to nobody but these children and my sisters. And my sisters, I thank you guys because y'all are a big supporter too. And my nieces and nephews because y'all always commenting and saying things to help keep me going.
Go.
So we love you guys, and this was just something to do because we was in the house and we was gonna just eat regular, but I said we're gonna do a video out of this. So we all love you, Crunch Timers. Mwah.
Before we exit out, let me clear this for you.
Oh yeah, did y'all sign out?
That's it.
player.
I'm gonna start it off.
Get all that off.
Like,
The gristle too.
Yeah, the grits are the best
Let me
part.
see. She's talking a little.
Dang.
what's
Put
it
it
on?
right there.
I'm
Like-
full. You know, little belly can't eat
Comment.
that much.
Subscribe.
I'm trying to post the notification on.
Already. Ring that bell.
Make it a song.
Share it.
Comment, subscribe, and hit that. Gotta be notified when first time.
Yeah,